I'll be showing you guys the payout certificate today from SiegFund. I'll also be sharing my review in the SiegFund Discord, and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing amazing, like I really truly do. Like, it's Saturday, so I hope you ain't trading anything. I hope you know Bitcoin, risking capital, leveraging and all that niceness. But hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new around here, my name is Kevon Roach, and this is my channel where I share what it's like being a full-time trader from the Caribbean, both life on and off the chart. So if that sounds like it's something interesting to you, make sure to stick around, hit the subscribe button, and go ahead and hit the like, why not, so more persons can see videos like these. Anywho, it's Saturday, like I just said a couple seconds ago, and this is probably the second or the first time I'm opening the camera for the week, but I have, like, you know, a logical explanation for them. First of all, alright, I ain't gonna touch on the topic yet, so let me go to second of all, and then we can come back to first of all. So second of all, it has been a very slow month so far. It's December, you know, the end of the year, not much action does go on trading, plus we're at all-time highs for now. So let me just open up that chart so we can look at it. All this price action and niceness happened. Wait, hold on, my trade markings in up, right? So I had them two L's earlier in the week. I had a missed trade, even though this looks like a W. Dropping down to the 5-minute, you'll actually see that price went away and left my entry. I was looking for a slight retracement, but price went away and left that entry, so I didn't actually catch that trade. Just real quick, giving you a brief run through of the week thus far. November ended beautifully, you know, and December started with 2 consecutive L's and then a third L and a missed trade. So yeah, anywho, the full purpose for this video mainly is I'll be showing you guys the payout certificate today from SiegFund. I'll also be sharing my review in the SiegFund Discord, and yeah, I'll also be giving them a review on Trustpilot because, you know, I want to actually give an honest opinion. I think it's good that people could see real reviews, you know, from different persons around the world, because it's something where you're putting your money. People, you know, this industry is kind of, well, not that it's kind of shaky, but they have shaky characters in the industry. Like in every industry, you have shaky characters. And there are a few things that we can do to identify the ones that are here to stay and, you know, the shaky characters. And one of the things that we could use are, you know, reviews and any type of discussions on the firm in question, or, you know, any type of information that you can research and find in general would aid in helping someone make a decision. So yeah, I no scene for give a review. So yeah, let me go straight into the email so I can show you guys what that payout certificate looks like. Right, so we have right here SiegFund certificate of payout, proudly presented to Kevon Roach. Payout $295.20. That was my share of the profit. And yeah, as I showed you guys in the previous video, if you haven't watched that one, go watch it now. But the funds showed up in my Binance since Monday. Oh yeah, that's what we did on Monday. That's why it's been, you know, a little hectic. But yeah, the funds showed up in my account on Monday when we made that withdrawal last Friday. And yeah, I withdrew from Binance and it actually arrived the next day. And I showed you guys that whole, you know, me checking into the bank and the entire process from getting it from Binance to my bank account outside the US. So if you are interested in learning how to do that, then you can also check out that video as well. But yeah, we got the payout from SiegFund, and we're about to give a review. Now the thing is, I'm on Discord, but I don't really know much about Discord. Like, you know, I might sound a little amateur, but this is the case, you know. Just been going through their chat and seeing, you know, how active their community is, and, you know, the type of posts and stuff that people send to the group, which is, looks like, you know, a lot of results and so on. I don't know if I could maybe share the certificate, because I ain't seeing other persons sharing anything about that, and I want to seem like if it's boasting. But at the same time, you know, I'm a random person that I'm recording this, so if anybody from the SiegFund English chat on Discord should see this video, then I can say that I am random to you, but I managed to pass the challenge, and maybe it can come off as a bit motivating instead to the right individuals. I mean, if you're in trading, then I don't think anything should be seen as boasting or flaunting or anything, because it's the results that makes us want to get into it and want to stay into it. When we see what's possible for somebody else is what, you know, kind of motivates us to keep going or inspires us to take a risk or whatever the case is. So yeah, I'm gonna just share the payout certificate. So let me just go ahead and do that right. I don't even know how to like add photos or anything to here, do I? What is this? It might be this one. It might be this one. Alright, so I have the image there. I'm gonna just put just received my payout. And alright, so I just sent a message in the Discord, and now I'm about to leave them just a simple review here. Honestly, alright, so here's the thing. When it comes to rating SiegFund, the experience, if it comes to the experience, has been great. Like there's literally just that one thing that I wasn't focused or aware of before making the withdrawal, which was the equity coming back down to your starting balance, unless you left a buffer in place. Now honestly, I can't blame them for that. It was a rule that was there before. I just didn't, you know, pay too much attention or fully understand it at the time. But now that I understand it, I can, you know, account, or yeah, I can account for that when it comes to future withdrawals. You know, I'll always leave that buffer in place. But in terms of the experience, both on MT5 and on the dashboard whenever I'm signing into my account, smooth process. Not one single issue, not once. Another point of concern, or it might be a point of concern to you, is it really and truly wasn't to me, is the, you know, no holding over the weekend. So at 3:15 or 3:25 p.m. all trades are closed on Friday, 3:25 on Friday every week. So that's not an issue for me because I mostly, you know, close my trades pretty early on Friday or just not trade at all on Friday. So for the experience thus far, it's been great. The withdrawal process was pretty smooth. It came within, you know, understandable amount of time. I withdrew on Friday at the end of the day, so you know it came soon as Monday morning. I ain't expecting them to work on the weekend, so I understand that. When it comes to trading conditions, that was also great because I didn't see any manipulation. The spreads were pretty low. Commission didn't exist. Yeah, that's just none of the out of ordinary things that we usually see on unregulated brokers or some prop firms. Yeah, that wasn't there on Sieg, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a 5. Why not? And what made my experience so great? From the challenge phase to getting my first payout with SiegFund. So I have here, from the challenge phase to getting my first payout with SiegFund was a very smooth process. Plus, having a real person to speak to if I had any questions or concerns was an added bonus. Great. Your review a title. Your review is on its way. Alright, and that is it. We have just left a little review there and comment in the Discord for Sieg Fund. And real quick, let me just touch on this YouTube. Y'all been going crazy, bro. So big up yourself, every single soul in person who's just been watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, whatever, especially the commenters, bro. I know y'all go out here way to just leave, even if it's an emoji. So big up yourself. I reply to every single comment, and I'll keep replying to every single comment, you know, because hey, you could take a time off to leave a comment, then I could take a time off to respond to your comment. And I won't make this video too long. It's not anything to be too lengthy. It's the weekend. I have some journaling and back testing to go ahead and do. Might open back the camera tomorrow. We might have one of them talks because there's still the #1 thing that I ain't forget as yet that I skipped to go to #2, but I think that deserves a second video, so I might just do that so we could really have a discussion and break that down. And yeah, I keep saying that I'm gonna be going hard on YouTube, but you know, you can scroll through the dashboard, you can see the little progress that we're making, and we can just keep making more progress. I keep reinvesting back into, you know, the channel, and I'm hoping that as many of you that are here now stick around for the entire journey, because you know we got stuff planned, bro. We got plans, and we're gonna be executing it one step at a time, but sure, we're gonna execute them. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm not gonna drag it out for much more longer than it already is long. It's a whole 25-minute video. Anyhow, I'm going to have to catch you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.